Do you know how just in one click to convert the CSV file into Excel spreadsheet? We can do it in just one click. Let's go! At the beginning, to open the CSV file in Excel, we need to create the blank workbook to place this file. Go to the Data tab and choose from the text CSV. Let's select the file and open it. In the most cases, it loads correctly, but it can happen that sometimes it looks misaligned or grouped improperly. It happens why? It is often due to the characters that used to separate the values in the CSV files. In our case, the separator is a comma, so the preview shows 5 organized columns. But if we switch the separator to a semicolon, all data in each row will load into a single column. When examining how data is stored in the CSV file, each row contains values separated by commas. This comma serves as a delimiter, meaning each value between commas will appear in a distinct column in Excel, as long as Excel's delimiter matches the one used in the CSV file. Furthermore, under the origin file, you will find the option to help Excel display data correctly. Here, we will select the Western European. You can also adjust how Excel detects data types. Generally, the first 200 rows options works well for most datasets. When you are ready, click Load, and the data from your CV file will populate an Excel data table. And of course, now you can edit, format or save it as standard Excel file. Guys, the question: do you know how to convert the Excel file to CSV? Let's follow the link in the description. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.